Hello, hello. Yeah, I hope you all are having an amazing Monday. This one's going to be a quick one. The topic of this live video or video, like depending on when you're seeing this, is how to sell people on what they have already been burned on. So basically, selling people on what they have been terribly burned on by different other agencies. If that makes any sense, because if you're in your journey and you're just starting out, or you have like one or two clients and you do not have like your outreach, your offer and stuff figured out, you're gonna hear a lot of objections. And even like sales, like obviously the whole concept of this video is around sales. So if you do not have your sales system, your basic offer figured out, and you're just starting out, you haven't done a lot of sales calls to start off with, you're going to face this objection a lot, because oftentimes you do not have past results and case studies. For example, in my case, I do not hear this objection anymore because of the results in past case studies, which we already display to them on sales calls, even sometimes in emails and LinkedIn and whatever way we're reaching out to these guys, right? So, how do you sell people if you're just starting out? You just have one client or like no client at all, let's just say, and not even a lot of good case studies. How do you sell people on what they have already been burned on severely by other agencies, trash agencies, right? So it's pretty quick, it's pretty easy. First of all, you've got them on a call, and to start off with, if you're just starting out with your agency, marvelous job, great job. You've kind of figured out and you've touched a nerve with the prospect where they have actually taken the time out to book in a call with you and speak to you for their business. So first of all, huge congratulations, big game, right? So now, first thing you ask in terms of this question is, have you worked with an agency before? So this objection comes around when you're asking this question, and it's necessary to ask this question just so we can understand their pre-made mindset and what they are entering the call with, like what mindset are they entering the call with, right? So have you worked with an agency before? This is the question you ask, right? You can reform it according to your language, but have you worked with an agency before? Now the answer yes. If it's no, it's like a clean slate. It's much more easier to sell, and it's like a good to go for you to explain your offer and everything. But if it is the answer is yes, and they have worked with past agencies, and also they are very skeptical to work with one because they have been burned before, then this is where you come in. So what did you like? This is where you ask the question, what did you not like about, like what did you like about your previous agency or your freelancer or your team, and what did you not like about it? So here you get a list, and this is what digging deep into their mindset is called. Like when you're on this call, you're here to help them out, you help to solve the problems for them and see if they're a right fit for your agency or your program, right? So you come in, you ask, what did they like about it? Write it down. They're saying, I liked communication. Write it down. I did not like the type of leads they were providing. Or in terms of, for example, you're working in e-commerce, we were basically losing money. We were not getting any return on ad spend. Worst case, we were actually losing money. You write this down, okay? Now you have like a whole like one to two, three good pointers in terms of what they like. So when you're asking like, what did you like about your previous agency? They give you two to three pointers. What did you not like about your agency? This is more of like an important question, because this basically gives you the answer to selling them. This is like the key where you dig deep and get to their mind and actually make their problem like a solution and present their problem like a solution. Okay, so once you have got it and once you've got an answer from them, now you go ahead. So on the reference of the past dislikes which they had with their previous agencies, the for example with the so with clients where they have given you a list of like what they like to see and what they liked about their previous agency, you already know you have these key things which you need to mention here and there in the sales call, that we are great at communication. This is what we do. For example, if they like the communication, uh, make it the same, or make it or like basically improve it. We do twice a week communication, and we send reports, monthly reports, weekly reports to you. You're in direct contact with my media buyer. So this is a way where you can promote all the things they like, so that they feel like they're not missing out anything from their past agency. Now coming to the dislikes, what did they not like, right? You have a list, and I just told you the points. Now on the reference of their past dislikes, you go ahead. So these past this text, let's just say they're X, Y, Z. Now you go ahead. Okay, Mr. Prospect, Mr. Prospect, right? We already guarantee X, Y, and Z in the points. And this might sound like a dumb answer, but that's the only way. There are so many agencies at this point servicing, and if you do not have a guarantee or a solid offer in place, I'm not sure how you're gonna go ahead and scale. It's gonna be really, really, really tough for you, and it only gets worse moving forward, moving in the months, moving into 2022, right? You need to have the X, Y, and Z figured out and present it as a solution and possibly guarantee it, because that's the only way, because we guarantee results inside our agency, and we get across and we work with some awesome clients who now at this point have been working with us from anywhere between 5 to 10 to 11 months, and they have built an awesome trust between, like, the trust between both the agency as well as the client is mutual and really, really strong. So this is because we offered a guarantee, and this shows the firmness and your confidence on your own offer and your services. Because if you can't guarantee results, right, you're not confident on what you're delivering, and the client and the prospect can easily catch it, like in like a snap of a second they can catch it, right? So all you have to do is present it in a manner where it looks like a solution. So you had bad leads, we already guarantee you XYZ results. Plus, for example, you had bad leads, we pre-qualify the leads for you before they reach your end, and we make sure they are in the same income bracket as you, just as an example. Okay, so that's it. It's a pretty simple solution. If you have any questions, let me know below, and if you need any help with making us very insanely strong offer and booking anywhere between 10 to 12 meetings a week with outbound prospecting, and shifting to done for you to done with you, so that you can guarantee short term, for example, short term results to your clients, and provide them with the kind of like an instant gratification, so that they are willing to work with you and they speak good about you, then you can book in a call with me, and I would love to help you out with that. We have last 24 hours left on the multi six figure hybrid agency program. So if you are even slightly interested in what we do and how we can help you, let me know, and you can book in a call from directly from the comments, or I'll leave it in comments or description somewhere, and I would love to speak to you. And you can message me in terms of any of the help which you need with your offer. Okay, have a good day. Bye bye. Peace out.